I feel really grateful as an artist because I feel like the people who listen to my music and come to my shows are very, very understanding of who I am and like what I'm trying to talk about. A lot of my music is about this like fear of death and the fear of getting older. A lot of that has manifested into my art as this feeling of like, I just really, while I am alive, I really want to be aware of it and I want to do a lot with however much time you give us on the earth. This community that we've created through the music is like a lot of other people who feel that way and are either younger or older and like really want to connect with some version of themselves that also believes in that. My whole life and my purpose as an artist, a lot of it is grounded in like making music for other people and for the sort of collective experience, which can, involve a bit of pressure sometimes. I've struggled with my mental health. I've had people really close to me struggle with theirs. We've lost someone really close to us from suicide, and a lot of what I've written about and tried to come to terms with is about that. I think the start of the cure, if there is one, is discussing it and making it not so large and mysterious and scary. I was really, really hesitant for a good portion of my life about going to therapy because the concept of it was really counterintuitive to, just what I understood about being present or like being close to people and intimacy. It's a very intimate experience. Who I was after going through grief was like really different. And it felt like after a while, it would make so much more sense to bring a lot of my emotion to someone who is outside of my life. Like having actual space to say something that you think is ridiculous or say something that you're embarrassed by is very beautiful, and in music it's even more wonderful because it can be as ambiguous as you want. I would play these songs that I recorded in like really dark periods of time in my life, and we would play these shows and people would come to the shows and say, oh wait, this lyric in the second verse, like this really spoke to me, and what felt like an afterthought for me, or what felt like I need to like vomit this thing out because I can't live with this anymore. It becomes a real point of truth and something really soft and sweet for other people. And you can't help but feel like kind of solved by that in some case, where it's like, I'm not the first or the last person who will feel this way. And that's very beautiful. It's just very human. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Broken heart, I looked for you to give me true